Hey guys, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you won't miss any update from us. Now let's get started. Here it is, the Zenfone Max Pro M1. Hi guys, this is Vivek from GearsToday, and today I'll be talking about this phone's pros and cons right from the first impressions. I like the phone basically from the screen and design, the camera and everything that I'll be talking about. The phone has a stroke UI which is quite good, the design is definitely the good and the buttons are tactile. I like the buttons. The most talked about thing about the phone is the dual cameras. Are they worthy of the thing? And the dual SIM slot with the SD card? Let's talk about it. So talking of the dual camera isn't the great that I've thought of Redmi Note 5 Pro. Redmi Note 5 Pro definitely has a best camera out there in this price segment. I think so, and probably you will think so with comparisons. So talking of which, the camera is definitely the good. If you talk about this camera, the camera has different modes, different stock modes that comes with Mi A1 or any other standard stock UI of Google. So speaking of which, the phone has good front camera too, good rear camera too, but is it worth of everything that we have right now in 11,000 or 12,000? Definitely the yes. If you wanna buy the phone, then it's a yes because of the prices, the segments and everything that ASUS is providing. But the question rises is it good to buy the phone for a long time, or it'll work or it'll go for a long time? I don't know actually about that thing. We tested the phone at the event and the video is because it's about the specs, it's about how I liked it and my views and my opinions. So this is not a review, this is not you should go with it, but definitely with the price and these kind of specs you should go with it. This phone has a Snapdragon 636, 3GB 4GB RAM options, a good camera, stock UI, 5000 mAh battery, and what else do you need? Even though ASUS is providing you so many things with in a single compartment of this smartphone in just 11,999 and 12,999. So that's a great thing for the price, great thing from ASUS, and definitely a good contender of Redmi Note 5 Pro. But speaking of which, our first impression with the smartphone was definitely the great. I like the phone, and the user that from our team, she also liked the phone because of its 18:9 display, the front camera and a good rear camera. But it is not a better rear camera than the Redmi Note 5 Pro, as I have used the Redmi Note 5 Pro personally for a month and I didn't find it near to that. But in low light, Redmi Note 5 Pro is the winner. In daylight, this phone will give you more of saturation of colors, vibrance, etc. So it's up to you. If you wanna choose or go with both of this phone, you should use both of these phones for at least half hour or 1 hour so that you can go with a conclusion. So speaking of which, if you have no other option or you are running out of time that you can buy the Redmi Note 5 Pro, then you can stick to this one because both are kind of same. There are just 19 and 20 differentiations between the phones. And the good news is this phone will come with stock UI, so you do not need to worry for updates. You'll get Android P Pico or upcoming updates till 2019 or 2020. ASUS has promised this thing. Now speaking of which, there is amazing accessory for music lovers, the ASUS stand pad. You will actually experience much louder experience with this stand pad. I loved that and I hope so you will too. So if you are looking forward to this phone and might be this video helped you guys, so hit the like button for that thing. And if you like that and you want more videos like this or complete reviews, gaming reviews, then hit the subscribe button to stay updated. Thank you so much guys for watching the video, and I'll see you in my next one, this time with peace. Peace out.